everyone and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show how to play a classic one, Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone. This is a pretty easy song to play with basic chords, and they keep playing the same chord progression across the whole song. So take your guitar and let's begin. To play this song there is an easier way, but I'm going to show you how the real one is played, because I think that the original is easy enough, so you don't need it to make it easier than what it is. And it works like this. The first chord is an A minor 7, and instead of playing this on the first position, we are going to come with the first finger on the 5th fret 6th string. At the same time, the second finger comes to the same fret, but 4th string, and the third finger comes to the same fret again, but 3rd string. So we have all three fingers on the same fret, and that's an A minor 7. On the right hand, we play 6th string with the thumb, and with the index and middle finger we play 3rd and 4th strings at the same time. And we play it like this: thumb, index middle, thumb, index middle. Okay, we play that chord 2 times. Then we lift the left hand to play those strings, the same strings, open. There we have an E minor 7. Okay, and then we move the position that we had on the 5th fret, we move it to the 3rd fret, but instead of using the 3rd finger on the same fret, now we're going to use the 4th finger on the 4th bar 3rd string. Okay, so index finger, first finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, middle finger 3rd fret 4th string, and 4th finger on the 4th fret 3rd string. That's G7. Okay, and there we have the first bar. One more time. And now what we do is that we come back to the first chord, the A minor 7, and we play it once. So the bars 1 and 2 sounds like this. Let's try those bars together. Bars 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when we rise to the 3rd and 4th bar, they are the same than the 1st and 2nd. So it just repeats the same thing. So if we play bars 1, 2, 3, and 4, let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, and okay, so we continue. Now we are going to take the position that we used on the G7, okay, when we come to the 3rd fret, but we are going to move that one string down, and we move it until the first finger arrives to the 7th fret. Okay, so it's first finger, 5th string, 7th fret, second finger, 3rd string, 7th fret, and 4th finger, 2nd string, 8th fret. The right hand has to move as well one string down. And then we have an E minor 7. And we play that chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, we move the position until the index finger comes to the 5th fret. It's the same strings, only moving 2 frets. And we play that one 4 times as well. So the bars 5 and 6 sounds like this. Okay, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and when we arrive to the bar 7 and 8, they are the same as the first and second. Okay, so let's play bars 5, 6, 7, and 8. I show you once. Okay, and now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so there you have the whole chord progression. They just keep repeating the same chord progression on and on. There's just a bridge in the middle where they start singing I know, I know, I know, but there's no guitar. Okay, so now let's try to play bars 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The whole chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will repeat there. And that was Ain't No Sunshine When She's Gone. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, or visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find more tutorials like this one with their tabs. Thanks for watching.